everybody. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Julia Keefe, and you are watching Auntie Julia's Music School. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please hit subscribe, and I look forward to learning with you all. Thanks. So this next warm-up is one that I have done just for years, and I love it, especially for my lower range. Usually as I get a little bit higher, it gets a little funky, and I prefer humming for the higher range as opposed to the lower. But what I'm gonna have you do is I want you to say hang, hang. So that NG on the word hang, we're gonna hang on those NGs. So it's gonna be hang. So to kind of go over like what's happening in your mouth when you say hang. So your tongue meets the top of your mouth, right? Hang. So it's not hang or hang or hang, not like an N. It's farther back. So let's give this a go. We're gonna go nice and low, and then we're gonna bring it up a little higher. Ready? It's gonna go like this. And you're just sliding between those two notes, and back up. My voice did a little thing right there. Like I said, I prefer this for the lower register, but I wanted to see how high I could take it. It did a little flip. Again, your vocal warm-ups are just a check-in. Similar to when you are getting ready to go for a run, when you're getting ready to play a sport, you want to warm up your muscles so you don't injure yourself. Your vocal warm-ups serve the same purpose. You are warming up your voice so that you don't injure yourself. I also feel that your vocal warm-ups serve to let you know where your voice is at for the day. And it's a very non-judgmental, oh, this is where my voice is at today. I hope that you see music as an exploration. See your voice as an exploration. You know, it's never, oh, I'm a bad musician, or oh, I'm a bad person, or oh, I'm just bad in general. When your voice cracks, or your voice does a thing, or a weird noise comes out of your horn, or you slip up on a note, or you know, whatever, it's never a judgment. These are just check-ins for the day. I'm like, oh, that's where my voice is at today. All right, that's good to know. And then you can either investigate it a little bit more. Oh, my voice, like it did this thing. I wonder why that is. Or you're just like, okay, good to know. I'll be mindful of that when I'm working on any of the songs that I feel like singing or practicing. It's more knowledge. It's more knowledge for you. And I hope that through this sort of curiosity that you have for music, through this exploratory approach to music and to the human voice, you'll be able to be a more knowledgeable vocalist, a more knowledgeable musician. You know things about yourself, and that's cool. The more you know, the cooler it is. At least that's what I think.